Dan Sobel, remember me. I am Big Bird. Yes, from Sesame Street. I'm so happy to see you. Dan Sobel, I heard that you are a huge fan of Sesame Street, right? You are. Oh, thank you very much. You know, I was just wondering, who is your favorite Sesame Street character? You can choose between Elmo, Cookie Monster, or Abai Kid Abai, or me, or whoever you like. Really? You know, I didn't know that about you. Oh, Dan, I just watched some of your test videos on YouTube. And you did a perfect impression of Cookie Monster. That was so funny. Well, Dan Sobel, I just wanted to say, first of all, thank you so much for being such a big Sesame Street fan. If you wanted to meet some of your favorite Sesame Street friends, just go to the Sesame Street website and play with us anytime you want. Well, I'll see you later. Bye.